Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 5, squares and square roots, exercise 5.3. Question number 5. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. So they have given some set of the numbers, okay. So these are not perfect square. By seeing the unit digit itself, we can say that these numbers are not perfect square, okay. But we have to make this number as what? Perfect square by multiplying a very smallest whole number, okay. So that smallest whole number we have to find out, as well as once we made these numbers as a new square number, right, we have to find out the square root of that number also, okay. So that is the thing what we are going to do. So anyway, first let me find out what are all the prime factors of the given number by using the prime factorization method. So the first number is 252. So apply the prime factorization method. So as usual, start from the prime number 2, okay. So we have to divide by 2. If it is not possible, then we have to check with the number 3. Again with the number 3, if it is not possible, we have to move to the next number 5, next number 7 and so on, okay. So always we have to first divide the number by 2. If it is not possible only, we have to move on to the other prime numbers. So given number is an even number which will be divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, balance is 1, it will become 12, 6 twos are 12. Again it is even number, will be divided by 2, 6 twos are 12, 3 twos are 6. So now it is odd number which will not be divided by 2, okay. So 6 plus 3 is 9, so 9 is divided by 3, so definitely this number will also be divided by 3. So 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. Okay, so again this is odd number. Let me proceed with the number 3. 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so number 7 is odd number which is not divided by 2, which is not divided by 3, as well as it is not divided by 5, because for 5 tables it should have either 5 or 0 at unit digit. Again it is not possible, so the only possibility is we can divide it by 7. So 7 ones are 7. So once we reach 1, we can stop the problem, okay. So what are all the prime numbers we have, we can multiply and write, okay. So 252 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, okay. So generally in order to make a number, okay, as a perfect square number, always the number, each and every prime number, right, it should occur twice, okay. That is, we should be able to form a pair, okay. So here 2 into 2 it is in a pair, so we made a pair. Again 3 into 3 is occurred twice, so we made a pair. But when coming to 7, okay, 7, the number 7 has no pair, okay. So because of this number 7 only, 252 is not a perfect square, okay. So we are going to find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square number. So in order to make this number as a perfect square, right, that is in order to make another number such that it should be multiplied by smallest number, what we have to do, these two are occurring in pair, these two are occurring in pair, only the thing is 7 is not in pair, okay. So we have to multiply this number by 7 so that it can become a perfect square, okay. So since 7 has no pair, we are going to multiply by 7. So now 7 has pair, okay. So this whole number, when you multiply whatever the thing we are getting, that will become a perfect square. So since we have additionally, okay, multiplied 7 here in the right hand side, left hand side also we have to multiply by what? 7, okay. So 252 is multiplied by 7, okay, so that it will become a perfect square, okay. So 252 into 7 is 7 twos are 14, 1 7 5s are 35, plus 1 it is 36, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. Okay, so left hand side it is 1764, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, okay, into 7 into 7. Okay, so they are asking first question as find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square. Okay, so the smallest whole number here it is, smallest whole number is 7, because by multiplying 252 by 7 only we are getting a perfect square number, right? So the smallest whole number is 7. And then the second part, also find the square root of the square number. Okay, so we have determined that 1764 is square number. Okay, 1764 is square number. So for this we have to find out square root. Okay, so 1764 square root we have to find out. Already we know that 1764 has been written as 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 7 into 7. So from 2 into 2 we can take 1 2. Again from 3 into 3 pair we can take 1 3. From 7 into 7 we can take 1 7. Okay, so that we can determine square root of 1764. So 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Okay, so the square root of 1764 is 42. Okay, so the smallest whole number is 7. Okay, and then square root of 1764 is 42. This is the answer for the first problem. Okay, similarly we have to do the other problems which has been given. Okay, so the second problem is 180. Okay, so for 180 we have to first find the prime factorization. So again it is even number, so we can divide by 2. 9 2s are 18 and end we have 1 0, so write as it is. Okay, so again 90 is even number, so divide by 2. 4 2s are 8, so balance is 1, it will become 10. 5 2s are 10. So now it is odd number, so we cannot proceed by 2. Okay, so we have to think about the next prime number 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, so it balance is 1, it will become 15. 5 3s are 15. Again it is odd number which is not divided by 2, so proceed with the number 3. 5 3s are 15. So again it is odd number which is not divided by 2, as well as 5 is not divided by 3, so we have to move on to the next prime number, that is 5. So 5 1s are 5. So once we have reached 1 we can stop the problem. So the number 180 can be written as, okay, so what are all the prime numbers available here in the left hand side? With those numbers we have to multiply and write. So 2 into 2, 3 into 3, again into 5. Okay, so here the number 5 has no pair. Okay, so because of this your 180 is not a perfect square. Okay, so in order to make this number as a perfect square, okay, so what and all occurred in pair? 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 occurred in pair, so there is no issues on with that number. The only thing is 5 has no pair. Okay, so we have to multiply by 5 on both sides. Okay, so multiply by 5 such that right hand side it becomes a perfect square number. Also the left hand side will become a perfect square number by multiplying by 5. Okay, so now 180 into 5 is a perfect square. Okay, so 180 into 5, that is 0 here, 5 into 0 0, 8 5s are 40, so 4 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so left hand side it is 900. 900 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, okay, and 5 into 5. And then again coming to the question, okay, so the smallest whole number is what? By which we are additionally multiplying by the number 5. Okay, so the smallest whole number is, the smallest whole number which we are multiplying in order to make the number as a square number is 5. Okay, and then the square number is what? Square number is 180 into 5 is what? 900. Okay, so for this number I need to find out the square root. So square root of 900 is what? So from each pair we can take one number, right? So 2 into 2 I can take from 2, 3 into 3 I can take 3, 5 into 5 I can take 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay. So square root of 900 is 30. Okay. So smallest whole number is 5 and the square root of 900 is 30. Okay. So let me move on to the next problem. Third problem is 1008. So again by using prime factorization method, let me find out the prime numbers. So again it is a even number, so divide by 2, 5 2s are 10, here 0, here 4 2s are 8. Again it is even number, divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, balance is 1, it will become 10, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Again it is even number, divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, balance is 1, 12, so 6 2s are 12. Again it is even number, so divide by 2, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6. Now it is odd number, so it is not divided by 3. Let me proceed with the number 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So again it is even number, we cannot proceed with the number 2, so proceed with the number 3. So 3 7s are 21. So again it is odd number which is not divided by 2, so we have to proceed with the number 3. 7 will not be divided by 3, so we cannot proceed with the number 3. Again we have to check with the number 5. 7 will not be divided by 5, so again we cannot proceed with the number 5. So next prime number is 7. So 7 ones are 7. So 1008 I can write it as 2 into 2, 2 into 2, okay, and then 3 into 3, finally it is 7. Okay, so what are all the numbers occurring in pair? 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Okay, so which number has no pair? Only 7 has no pair. Okay, so in order to make this 1008 as another number such that it will become a square number, I have to multiply by 7 in both the sides. Okay, so how I can make this number as a square number? By making 7 as a pair. Okay, so additionally we are multiplying by 7 here, right? So additionally 7 is multiplied in the right hand side, so left hand side also I have to multiply by 7. Okay, so 1008 into 7. Okay, so 8 7s are 56, so 5 here, so 7 into 0 0, so 7. So 7056 in your left hand side is a perfect square number, okay, which I can write it as 2 into 2, 2 into 2, again 3 into 3 into again 7 into 7. Okay, so by multiplying which number I am making 1008 as a nearest perfect square number by 7. Okay, so the answer is smallest whole number is 7. Okay, and also we need to find out the square root of 1056. So from each pair I should take one value. So 2 here, 2 here, 3 here, and then 7 here. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 12 7s are 84. Okay, so square root of 7056 is 84. Okay, so next, so then coming to the fourth problem, let me apply the prime factorization method. It is even number, so divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, here it is 0, 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Again it is even number, divide by 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so 1 will not be divided by 2, so you have to put 0. 14 means 7 2s are 14. So again it is odd number, so which is not divided by 2, so we have to proceed with the number 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, balance is 2, it will become 20, 6 3s are 18, balance is 2, it will become 27, 9 3s are 27. Okay, so again it is odd number which is not divided by 2, so proceed with the number 3. 5 3s are 15, okay, balance is 1, it will become 19. So 169 is not divided by 3, okay, so we cannot proceed with the number 3. So or else you proceed with the sum of the numbers, okay, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, okay. So 16 is not divided by 3, so we cannot divide this number by 3, okay. Then we have to check with the number 5, okay. So since unit digit place we have number 9 which is not divided by 5, okay, I cannot proceed with the number 5. Next I have to check with the number 7, okay. So 7 2s are 14, okay, balance is 2, 29. 29 is not divided by 7, so I cannot proceed with the number 7 also, okay. So next is your prime number is 11, okay. So let me check with the number 11, okay. Again 11 table it is not applicable in your 169. 169 is not divided by 11 table also. Again I have to check with the number 13, okay. So 13 13s are 169, okay. So now again, so this number 13 is not divided by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So only the possibility is 13. 13 ones are 13, okay. So I can write the number 2028 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13, okay. So what are all the numbers you have written here, just multiply all the values and then try to make a pair. 2 into 2 is in a pair, 13 into 13 is in a pair. So only the number 3 has no pair, okay. So 3 has no pair. In order to make it as a perfect square number, okay, we need to multiply this number by 3 such that the other number we have to form which is going to be a square number, okay. So both the sides I have to multiply by 3 such that I can make it as a perfect square, okay. So it does not have pair, just multiply another 3 so that it can become a perfect square, okay. So in extra you are multiplying by 3 in the right hand side, so left hand side also you have to multiply by 3. So 2028 into 3, 8 3s are 24, 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8 and then 3 into 0, 0, 3 2s are 6. So 6084 is a perfect square number, okay, which I can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 13, okay. So what number we are multiplying in order to make 2028 as the next perfect square number, okay, I am multiplying by 3, okay. So the smallest whole number which I am going to multiply with 2028 is 3, okay, so that the next number it becomes a perfect square. So 6084 is a perfect square number. For that I have to find out the square root. So 6084, when I find out the square root, okay, already I have written in pair of a prime number. So from each pair you just write one number. 2 into 2 can be written as 2, 3 into 3 can be written as 3, 13 into 13 can be written as 13, okay. So 2 3s are 6, 13 into 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, okay. So the answer is 78. So the smallest whole number is 3 and then square root of 6084 is 78. So let me proceed with the next problem. So fifth problem I have, that is 1458, okay. So again it is even number, so let me divide by 2. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4, balance is 1, it will become 18, okay. 9 2s are 18. It is odd number, so which is not divided by 2. Let me check for 3, okay. Sum your number. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 is divided by 3, so this number will be divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, balance is 1, it will become 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again this number is odd number which is not divided by 2. Let me check with the number 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 is divided by 3, so this number will be divided by 3. 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3. So again this number is divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, balance is 2, it will become 21, 7 3s are 21. Okay, again this number can be divided by 3, 9 3s are 27. Again this is odd number which is not divided by 2, have to divide by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, so again it is odd number, divided by 3, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 1 4 5 8, I can write it as multiplication of these numbers. Okay, that is 2 into, okay, how many 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 into 3, again 3 into 3, again 3 into 3. So make it as a pair. So these numbers are in pair. Okay, so only 2 has no pair. Okay, so in order to make a new number as a perfect square, okay, what I have to multiply with the 1 4 5 8 as a minimum. Okay, so in the right hand side I have to multiply by 2. Why? Because only 2 has no pair. Okay, so make 2 as a pair by multiplying the extra 2. So whatever you are multiplying in the right hand side in extra, that you have to multiply in the left hand side also. So into 2. Okay, so that it becomes a perfect square. So the smallest whole number is 2, by which you have to multiply with 1 4 5 8, right? So 1 4 5 8 into 2 is what? 8 2s are 16, 1 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so the the square number, required square number is what? Required perfect square number is 2916. So what about the square root of 2916? So just take one value from your pair. So here it is 2, from here it is 3, from here it is 3, from here it is 3. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 3, 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so it is 54. Okay, so square root of 2916 is 54 and smallest whole number is 2. Okay, so coming to the last problem, 768. So it is even number, so we can divide by 2. 3 2s are 6, balance is 1, it will become 16. 8 2s are 16, so 4 2s are 8, again it is even number, so divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, balance is 1, it will become 18. 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, again it is even number, so divide by 2. 9 2s are 18, balance is 1, it will become 12. 6 2s are 12, again it is even number, divide by 2. 4 2s are 8, balance is 1, it will become 16. 8 2s are 16, again it is even number, so divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, again it is even number, so divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again it is even number, divide by 2, so it will become 6 2s are 12, again even number, divide by 2, so 3 2s are 6. Now it is odd number, so divide by 3, because 2 is not possible, so 3 1s are 3. So 768 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2s. And each 2 you can make it as a pair. Okay, and finally I have 3. So only 3 has no pair. Okay, so in order to find out the new perfect square number, what I have to do, I have to additionally multiply by 3 in both left hand side and right hand side. So 768 into 3 now will become 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, again 2 into 2, 2 into 2, again 3 into 3, because 3 only has no pair. In additional I am multiplying 3 here, so left hand side also I am multiplying by 3. Okay, So now 7, 6, 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 2. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. Okay. So the smallest whole number which we are multiplying with 768 is 3. And perfect square number is 2304. Okay, so what is square root of 2304? From each pair take one number. So 8 2's are there, so we have tried 4 2's, and 3 into 3 is there, so 1 3. Okay, so 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 into 3, 6 3's are 18, 1. Okay, so 48. So root of 2304 is 48. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching.